Good morning, children. So last class we have completed up to 2 lessons in chemistry part. Next, today we are going to start the new lesson number 9, solutions. So already we have learned about the solution in lower sections. Okay, so just we will see the introductions first. So what is mean by mixture? What is mean by mixture? So mixture is nothing but what? More than two components. More than two components present in a compound. Present in a compound. Okay, that is called mixture. Okay, so what are the examples of mixture? Air, water, soil. So if we are taking air is a mixture of gases. Okay, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. The same way, if you are taking the water, so many dissolved solid substances are present in water. The same way, if you are taking the soil also, so many nutrients are present in the soil. Okay, so these are all the examples of what? Mixture. Okay, so next one. So what is the difference between components and compound? Components and compound. Compound, here components. Okay, so if you are taking the water is an example of compound. Okay, so already we know the definition about compound. Compound is a homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Okay, here components is nothing but, okay, here how many elements are present? 2 elements are present. Okay, one is hydrogen, another one is oxygen. Okay, so these are all the elements are present in where? Water. Okay, these elements are called what ma? Components. Okay, the homogeneous mixture of water is an example of compound. Okay, so compound is entirely different from components. Okay, if we analyze the properties also, okay, so hydrogen and oxygen, okay, are the examples of gaseous element, but water is an example of liquid. Okay, so the physical and chemical properties are entirely different from which one? Components is entirely different from compound. Okay, so next one. So if you are taking the mixture, okay, you see, okay, example, okay, water plus salt, okay, sodium chloride. The same way, water plus soil, water plus soil. Okay, so if you are taking the first one example, water plus salt, okay, if you are taking the minimum quantity of water mixed with salt, what will happen? It will dissolve in water. So we are getting the homogeneous mixture. The same way, if you are taking the quantity of amount of water, you are adding the soil, what will happen? It will not dissolve in water. So you are getting the what ma? Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. So homo means what ma? Same. Homo means, what is the meaning? Same. Hetero means different. Hetero means different. Hetero means different. So based on this, okay, we will define the definition about solutions. Okay, homogeneous. Okay, the homogeneous mixture is termed as what ma? Solutions. Okay, the homogeneous mixture is termed as solutions. Okay, so now we will define the definition about solutions. So solution is defined as homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous mixture of more than two substances. Okay, this is the definition for what ma? Solutions. Okay, the solution is defined as homogeneous mixture of more than two substances. Okay, so we cannot get what ma? Heterogeneous mixture. Okay, that is not termed as solution. So homogeneous mixture of more than two substances is an example of solutions. Okay, so if you are taking the solutions, what are the components are present? What are the components are present? Okay, so solutions equal to solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. Okay, so what is mean by solute? What is mean by solvent? Okay, so in a solution, okay, so if you are taking the beaker, okay, filled with water, okay, so exactly 50 ml, okay, so we are adding the 10 gram of sugar, 10 gram of sugar. Okay, what will happen? So we are getting the solutions. We are getting the solution. So in a solution which is present in lesser amount, okay, you see the quantity. Okay, so in a solution which is present in less amount by weight is called solute. By weight is called solute. Okay, the solute may be maximum in solid condition, some of the cases liquid also, gaseous also. Okay, so in a solution which is present in larger amount, okay, larger amount, okay, this one small, this one small. Okay, so in a solution which is present in less amount by weight is called solute. Okay, in a solution which is present in large amount by weight is called solvent. So solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Solute plus solvent is equal to what more? Solutions. Okay, example, sugar dissolved in water, salt dissolved in water, copper sulfate dissolved in water. Okay, these are all the examples of solutions. Okay, so next, based on the components, solutions can be classified into different types. Okay, one is binary solution. Binary solutions. So what is mean by binary solutions? Okay, so in a solutions, okay, two components are present. In a solution, two components are present. Two components are present. Okay, so what is mean by two components? One is solute plus another one is what ma? Solvent. Another one is solvent. One is solute, another one is solvent. Okay, in a solution two components are present. Okay, that solution is an example of what? Binary solutions. Okay, example the same. Okay, that before we have seen three examples. The three examples also applicable for binary solutions. Sugar dissolved in water, salt dissolved in water, copper sulfate dissolved in water, glucose, fructose, maltose. Okay, these components are dissolved in water are the examples of binary solutions. Okay, bi means two. Bi means two. Okay, so next one, ternary solution. Next one, ternary solution. Next one, ternary solution. Ternary means what ma? Three. Ternary solution. T-E-R-N-A-R-Y. Ternary solutions. So ternary solutions means what ma? Instead of two components, how many components are present? Three components are present. Are the examples of ternary solutions. Okay, for example, okay, how many solute ma? Two solute plus one solvent. For example, okay, salt, sugar plus water. Okay, so these are all the examples of what? By ternary solution. Ternary solutions means what ma? How many components should be present in ternary solution? Three components should be present in ternary solution. Two solute, one solvent. Okay, so next one, types of solution or classification of solution. So first one, based on their physical state. Okay, solutions can be classified into different types. Okay, so based on their physical state. Physical STAT, physical state of solute and solvent. Okay, and solvents. Okay, so physical state of solute and solvent. Physical state of solute and solvent. Okay, so if you are taking the solute in solid medium, solvent also in which medium? Solvent medium. For example, alloy. For example, alloy. Okay, so alloy is nothing but what? It is the homogeneous mixture of more than two metals. More than two metals, or sometimes metals mixed with non-metals. Okay, a solid mixed with solid. Okay, here solid also acting as a solid, solvent also acting as a in which state ma? Which state? Solid state. Okay, so already we know matter can exist in the three physical state. One is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, the same way here liquid plus solid, liquid plus solid, liquid plus solid. Okay, example amalgam. Okay, mercury mixed with some other metals. Okay, so in this way we will classify the what ma? Physical state of solute and solvent. Okay, the next one, liquid plus solid, liquid plus solid, liquid plus liquid. Liquid plus solid means what ma? So if you are taking the water, we are adding the sugar. Okay, liquid, ethyl alcohol dissolving in water. So in this way we will classify the solutions. Okay, this is one of the category. Okay, in our textbook one tabular column is given clearly, just to read that tabular column. Okay, so second category based on the solvent. Okay, so based on the solvent, solution can be classified into two types. Okay, one is aqueous solution, another one is non-aqueous solution. One is aqueous solution, another one is what ma? Non-aqueous solution. Okay, one is aqueous, aqueous. Another one is non-aqueous. So aqua means what ma? Water. Aqua means water. Okay, non-aqueous means what ma? Except water. Okay, so based on the solvent, solution can be classified into two types. Okay, one is aqueous solution, another one is non-aqueous solution. So how can we define the definition for aqueous solution? Okay, so before that, water. Okay, already we know water is a best example of what ma? Universal solvent. Why? Because most of the substances are dissolved in water, so that it is called as what ma? Universal solvent. Okay, so first we will see the definition about aqueous solution. Okay, so we will define the definition for aqueous solution. The solution in which water acts as a solvent. Okay, the solution in which one is act as a solvent? Water act as a solvent is the definition for what ma? Aqueous solution. Okay, the solution in which water act as a solvent is called aqueous solution. Okay, example, common salt dissolved in water, sugar dissolved in water. Okay, salt dissolved in water. Okay, next one, sugar dissolved in water. Okay, the solution in which water act as a solvent. Okay, it is called as aqueous solution. So what is meant by non-aqueous solution? The solution in which, okay, the solution in which one? Okay, the solution in which, okay, except water, the solution in which except water, any other substance act as a solvent. Okay, any other substance act as a solvent, it is called non-aqueous solution. Example, benzene, iodine, okay, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride. Okay, these are all the solvent act as a which medium? Non-aqueous medium. Okay, the solution in which except water, okay, any other substance act as a solvent, it is called non-aqueous solution, non-aqueous solutions. Okay, so what are the examples? Okay, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, next one, iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. Okay, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so these are all the examples of non-aqueous solutions. So aqueous solutions means which one ma? Water acting as a solvent, that is called aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution, except water, any other substance, okay, acting as a solvent, it is called non-aqueous solutions. Okay, so thank you children. Okay, so up to this enough today. Okay, so the remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, the remaining classifications we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.